Hello and welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. So in this video, we are going to understand how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for a vegan bakery. So as a bakery owner, I receive a lot of customer inquiries for my products on my WhatsApp number. And here I wish to instantly reply to those queries through a WhatsApp chatbot. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to build this WhatsApp chatbot by using a WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. So to learn more about this chatbot in detail, let me all take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a WhatsApp chatbot to handle customer inquiries for your business. So it's a great way to save time, provide instant responses, and keep your customers happy when even you are busy. So as the owner of a vegan bakery, I get a lot of inquiries on WhatsApp, people asking about today's menu, ingredients, delivery options, or placing custom orders. So it becomes difficult to reply to everyone manually, especially during busy hours. So that's why I created a WhatsApp chatbot. It can instantly answer common questions, share our latest offerings, take pre-orders, and even collect customer details. So this helps me stay connected with my customers 24/7, save time, and provide a better experience without needing to be online all the time. Alright, so here we are going to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot by using a WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so here on my screen you can see Pabbly Chatflow's home page, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/chatflow/aina/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now here after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to build my WhatsApp chatbot, I'm going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So here to access this Pabbly Chatflow, I'm going to click on this access now. So now here on my screen you can see Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard, and now here you might be thinking that basically what is Pabbly Chatflow? So let me give a brief about it to you. So Pabbly Chatflow is the tool that helps businesses create automated chatbots for their website and apps. It's like having a virtual assistant that can chat with visitors, answer questions, and guide them to take actions like making a purchase or signing up. People use Pabbly Chatflow to save time, improve customer support, and engage visitors 24/7. It's easy to set up, customizable, and helps businesses provide quick responses, which keeps customers happy and boost conversions. Alright, so this was all about a brief of Pabbly Chatflow. So now here if you want to learn the setup of your Pabbly Chatflow account step by step, then you can check out the video on our YouTube channel for the same. And also if you want to know about some amazing features that Pabbly Chatflow offers in the left side bars, then you can check out the videos dedicated to each of the feature on our Pabbly's YouTube channel and also on our landing page as well. Alright, so here to build a WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to use a feature by Pabbly Chatflow, that is flows, given over here in the left side bar. So I'm going to access the flows option, and here under flow builder you can see all the existing flows that we have already created using Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so here to build a new WhatsApp chatbot, we need to create a new flow. So for that we are going to click on this add a flow button given on the top right corner. And now firstly here in this flow, we are going to give a name to our flow, that is vegan bakery. Because here I'm going to create this WhatsApp chatbot for my vegan bakery. And now here after giving a name to my flow, it is asking me to start the flow. So here I need to set up this flow start, that means the trigger to start the WhatsApp chatbot that I'm going to create over here for my bakery. Alright, so here you can see the flow start options that we have received, that are keywords, regex, and the template. So here we will choose trigger type as keywords first, meaning that the chatbot will activate when a user's message contains specific words. So we can add the words like hey, hello, hi, that are the basic greeting words that a customer must say. Alright, so here we are going to add the keywords. So I have added the first keyword, that is hey, and then we are going to click on this enter, and similarly I'm going to add more keywords such as hi and hello. So basically these are the basic keywords, and now whenever a user sends a message with these words, the chatbot will detect it and trigger a response. But here people type messages in different ways. One person might say hello, tell me more about your bakery products, while another might write hi, I want to purchase your cakes. Alright, so in this case, instead of listing every possible variation, we can use regex, that are regular expressions, to create a smarter trigger. So for example, using a regex pattern like this, the chatbot will detect common inquiry words regardless of variations or capitalization. So once the chatbot is triggered, it moves to the next step. Alright, so here you can see the expression that I've added in the regex, where I've added the words such as buy, cake, cupcake, item and cookies. So now if my customer's message contains any of the words similar to these or these words, then automatically our flow is going to get triggered. Alright, so here we need to enter the regex to match the substring trigger, and then you have to enable the toggle for each sensitive regex. So it is not mandatory to enable the toggle while entering the regex, but here it is necessary to enable the toggle for each sensitive regex only. So here I have not entered any sensitive regex, so here I am not going to enable this toggle, but if you have added the sensitive regex, then you need to enable this toggle button. Alright, so this was all about the flow start. So here we have selected our flow start as keywords and the regex. That's why we are not going to select the template. But if you want to start the flow through a template, then you can choose the template from this button given over here. Alright, so now after adding the keywords and the regex, let's move to the next step. So I'm going to add a text button over here, and here in this message box, I'm going to enter a basic welcome message that says, "Hi, welcome to Green Whisk Vegan Bakery. How can we help you today?" So this is the common welcome message, and now after entering the message, I'm going to add the buttons, that means quick replies button for this text as well. So first button that I'm going to add is for the today's menu. So here my customers are going to receive the option to select the today's menu, and then similarly I'm going to add another text button such as place order and contact us. So here we have added the first message box for our flow start, that is a common welcome message, and 3 buttons such as today's menu, place order and the contact us button. And now, alright, so now after adding the buttons, we are going to set up the flow further for these buttons. So firstly we are going to set up the flow for the today's menu. So we are going to add the text button, and then I'm going to enter the today's menu option over here in the text box. So it says, here's what fresh today: choco chip cookies, blueberry muffins and vegan chocolate cake. Alright, so this is the menu, and then similarly I'm going to add more buttons over here in this text box such as place order and back to menu. Alright, so these are the buttons, and now here what we are going to do is, you can see that we have added 2 similar buttons in 2 different message boxes that are of the place order. So now here to continue the flow for the place order, we are going to add a common message that is for this button and the another place order message button that we have added in this message box. Alright, so here I'm going to add the text as, "Awesome, what would you like to order today?" So this is the text message, and similarly I'm going to enter some more buttons in this message box as well. So for that I'm going to add the buttons, and then I'm going to add the text as cookies, cupcakes and the cakes. So here we have given the option for placing an order over here, and then after giving the options, automatically whenever a customer is going to select any of the options given over here, then they should receive a confirmation message for the order as well. So I'm going to add another text box over here, and then I'm going to add a text that says, "Great choice, our team will confirm shortly." So here we have given a simple and basic message, and I want this message to be sent for all the 3 products. So I'm going to build a connection over here, and now after building this connection, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to connect this place order button to this message box as well, because I want to send this similar message for both of the place order buttons. Alright, so this was all about the place order, and now we are going to connect this back to menu button to the main message that we created after the flow start. Alright, so here we have connected the back to menu option as well, and now lastly we are left with the contact us button. So now we are going to set up this button as well. So here I've added the text box, and here I'm going to enter the contact details of our bakery. And here I've successfully added the contact us details as well, and then similarly I'm going to add another button over here for the back to menu. So this is the text button, and again I'm going to connect this back to menu message box to this message box that we created after the flow start. Alright, so with this we have completed our flow over here. That means we have successfully set up a small WhatsApp chatbot for our vegan bakery. Alright, so now here after setting up the flow, we are going to save this flow first by clicking on the save button given on the top right corner. And here you can see it says flow updated successfully. That means we have successfully set up our flow over here. Alright, so now here after entirely setting up our flow, what we are going to do is that we are going to test this flow that we just now created using Pabbly Chatflow. So here to see the working of this chatbot, let me take you to my WhatsApp. Alright, so this is my WhatsApp, and here this is my WhatsApp number that I'm using in my Pabbly Chatflow account for my bakery. So here I'm going to send a text on this WhatsApp chat such as, I want to buy your bakery products. Alright, so this is the message that I'm going to send. And here you can see we have received a message that says, hi, welcome to Green Whisk Vegan Bakery. How can we help you today? So this is the message, and here we have received 3 options for this message that says today's menu, place order, and contact us. So I'm going to select today's menu, and here we have received for today's menu, and here you can see the another 2 options that are place order and back to menu. So I'm going to select place order. And here you can see it says, awesome, what would you like to order today? We have 3 options, cookies, cupcakes, and the cake. So here, instead of selecting the buttons from here, I'm going to select back to menu. And then here from the menu, I'm going to select place order. And then here you can see we have received the similar text over here. So I'm going to select cupcakes. And here you can see it says, great choice, our team will confirm shortly. Alright, so this was all about the place order. And now let's click on this contact us. And here you can see we have received our contact details and a back to menu option given over here. So this was all about the working of the amazing chatbot that we created using Pabbly Chatflow for our vegan bakery. Alright, so this was a very short and simple chatbot that we created using Pabbly Chatflow, but you can create your personalized chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow and some other features that it offers in our flow creation. Alright, so now here let me summarize the chatbot that I've just created. So here I've selected my flow start, that means the trigger for this WhatsApp chatbot as keywords and the regex, and after setting up the keywords and the regex, I have added a welcome message, and similarly for the welcome message I've added 3 quick replies button that are today's menu, place order, and the contact us. And after that I've set up the flow for these quick replies button as well, where I've set up the today's menu, where I've added the today's menu dishes and the quick replies button as place order and back to menu. And similarly here for the place order, I've added a text box, and I have connected the similar text box to the another place order button that I've used in my today's menu message box. Alright, so now moving forward, I have added the products to order in this place order message box, and I have added a confirmation message with this particular place order message box as well. And after that, I have added the contact details of my store for this contact us button as well. Alright, so this was all about the flow that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you want to learn about such amazing chatbots in future as well, then you can stay tuned on our YouTube channel. And now if you have any doubt related to the chatbot that we just now created, then you can drop the query in the comment box below. I hope the entire chatbot was clear to you. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.